hope you guys all know me by now. I am Orit, and it's going to be 1 year, you guys, in January. So I survived a year, and I hope that you guys have learned a lot of stuff from me, and I hope to hear some more feedback from you guys so that I could improve my channel. Okay, so today, you guys, I'm not a professional cook, so just if I make some mistakes, sorry. So I have been getting a lot of requests on how to make fried rice. It's really easy. There really isn't much of a specialty in this making, but I do get a lot of comments saying that, oh, it's yummy, it's good. My mom makes this a lot as well, and my niece and nephews, they all like it too. So I wanted to share it to you guys how to make it, okay? It's quite simple, okay? So come on over first. I like to put like a typical fried rice, green peas and frozen carrots, and I also shredded some cabbage, and these are all optional on what you would like to put in your fried rice, but this is what I'm putting. And of course an egg. It depends on how much rice you're going to put and how much, you know, compared to the egg ratio, okay? And I also like to add a little bit more of a flavor, so I'm going to put some garlic, minced garlic in there. You can also put some ginger in it as well, but I'm not going to do that in mine. And then I pre-made my white rice in here. You can parboil it, then cook it, or you can just quickly cook it faster in water and oil. Let it do its cooking all at one time. This can get ready within 20 to 30 minutes. And last but not least, one of the main ingredients is soy sauce. This is the one I get from Trader Joe's. You can get wherever you want. I get the reduced sodium, okay? So those are the main ingredients on what I use. Again, the rice product that I use is this one right here. If you have a different type of rice or a specific type of Chinese rice, a squishy version or whatnot, you guys can use that too. Oil, I'm just going to be using it with grapeseed oil, but you guys, if you guys have sesame seed oil and you enjoy it, you can use that as well. Okay, so come on over here. So I got my pot here, turn it on. I'm gonna put some oil in here, okay? And I'm not gonna make a big bunch, but I'm going to add my carrots and a mixture of my peas. Now you can add a little or less, whatever floats your boat on that. And I'm going to add some salt to it and some pepper, okay? And I'm just going to let it do its thing, let it defrost, let it get cooked a bit. Once I feel like it's pretty much on the softer side and that it's cooked, I'm going to add my cabbage to it, give it a little mix, let that cabbage get all nice and shrunk and soft as well, okay? So I'm gonna let this go, keep going guys, close the lid, and I'll be back. Guys, welcome back. So now the peas and the carrots have defrosted and cooked somewhat, and now I'm putting my cabbage in here, okay? And then I also have my garlic, so I'm gonna put it in my fancy smashy mincer here, okay? And a little bit more. Now these are all optional, but I feel like this gives it a nice little flavor. You can put more or less, of course, depending on how much rice you're going to be using here. So I'm going to give it a nice mix, okay? And then I'm going to wait for another minute or so until the cabbage gets a bit soft. So I'll be back. Okay guys, here we go, and boy oh boy, does the garlic smell fabulous in here, right Gabby?
Right.
Okay, so now it got a bit of the color change in the cabbage, so that means it's ready. It became a little bit more brighter, more vibrant color. Okay, so now all you gotta do is put your egg in here. Now again, it depends on how much rice you decide to put in here. Okay, so I'm just gonna put 1 egg. Okay, and let's say you scramble it up like you're making breakfast. Okay, so once it's scrambled up, I'm going to go ahead and put my pre-cooked, already made rice in here. Okay. Okay, there we go. So we're getting there, you see that? Okay. Then I'm gonna get my rice. Smush it up a bit. Give it a nice mix here. Okay, now you guys can add more eggs and stuff if you want. Again, this is just how much I'm putting myself. Okay. Then you're gonna add the soy sauce, and you're gonna put it a little at a time, and you're going to put it at an amount where the rice will turn into like a brown color, just like how fried rice looks like. So if you put a little bit, and then you feel that no, it's not enough, which that's how I feel at the moment. A little bit more soy sauce. Give it a nice mix again. All over. Okay, I think that's good. And a nice mix. And then I'm just gonna let it stay under low heat so that it can grasp its flavor. Okay, and I'll be back. Hi guys. So I let it under the heat for like another minute or two, and this is the outcome of it. So it's pretty hot. Okay, so again, there's the cabbage, the carrots, the peas that I dumped in there. There's pieces of garlic in here somewhere, and the soy sauce and the pre-cooked rice. So it's pretty easy, you guys, how to make it. Now you guys can make it with a side of orange chicken or whatever you want. I do have my Chinese chicken recipe with my noodles on my YouTube channel on one of my episodes. So maybe you can make my Chinese chicken, which is pretty simple as well, and eat it along with this fried rice. It's kid friendly. They can think it's like Panda Express, and maybe they want to eat it at home. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a go. Perfect. Perfect. I like it. So it has the tinge of the soy sauce. Now you can put a little less soy sauce if you want, if you're too worried that it might be a little bit too strong, okay? But, and it has a bit of a crunch to it as well. And, but you still want to put enough soy sauce so it gets this brown color to it, okay? Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching Orit's Kitchen. Please subscribe and tell all your friends and family. I need more subscribers, and the only way I can get more subscribers is with your help. So thank you so much again, and have a wonderful day. Bye.